Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Ilyas Sadiq. Now let's go with me. I'm taking you to my allotment. Come on. French bit line allotment here in Manchester. We're getting into it. Let's come with me. Here we have a second gate actually. This has made more secure so that no irrelevant people can get through. So let me open the gate. Every time when you get in, you have to lock the gate so that no irrelevant can get in. Let me show you my plot here. Come on. So, here is my plot. This is my allotment. This is called the Manchester allotment. Here I grow a lot of vegetables, 100% organic and fresh. There is no level of the taste. I can show it to you. Today the harvest, you're going to see by your own naked eyes that how much I'm going to harvest today. Let's go and harvest. Here you go. This is fantastic, 100% fresh and organic to cook, to eat. See how nice and fresh and fantastic vegetable it is. There you go. We have a lot of vegetables to harvest today. There you go. This is zucchini. Here you go, fantastic. I said a lot of vegetables to harvest. is to share with friends and families here in my neighbor. It's turnip, very tasty vegetables like a fruit. You really love it to eat this vegetable. Again. There you go. This is very satisfactory when you harvest such nice, fresh, 100% organic vegetables by your own hands, especially when you have grown by yourself. So, spinach. Could you find such green and fresh and organic spinach around you in the store? No, it's not. This is 100% organic. No fertilizer, no pesticide, absolutely 100% organic. The fresh green spinach, 100% organic. There we go. Again, wonderful, tasty vegetable. As I said, a lot of vegetables for today. MashaAllah. So again, a big harvest today, as I said. Let me go put it in there. There you go. See that? As I said, a lot of vegetables. It's not that hard work, but you get really reward again for in terms of the organic vegetables. A lot of vegetables. Yes, it is. Put it here. I need to go on the other side. You fill from there. From there. A lot of zucchinis we got here, but this is called Artindo, Italian variety actually. This is another one. Then we got turnips, fantastic turnips. That's a different variety though. Then we got fresh onion. Then we got spinach for today. Do you think that's all? No, we still have a lot to harvest today. Let me show you inside. Come. Okay, so here, this is my greenhouse. It's basically to grow tomatoes, chilies and stuff like that you can't grow outside. This is very important vegetable here in the UK. So you might name it, what is it? So here you go, I'm cutting it. Here you go. So this is called kaddu. Oh, another gourd. So, tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. Okay, so here, that's it for today. We're not going to harvest all of these just at once, but you can't really harvest every day such beautiful, tasty vegetables. So here we got the beef tomatoes. They are beef tomatoes. They are different variety of. So here in this tunnel we got cherry tomatoes, and then a lot of different varieties of tomatoes. I'm going to give you an introduction of all the vegetables and fruits I'm growing here later on in some day. For today is just what we harvesting today. So there you go. And that's it for today. So see how much we have harvested today, and we can harvest every day something for the family. Thank you for watching my channel. Please support, share and subscribe my channel, and in coming days you will be find more interesting videos on the on my channel, just from heart of the Manchester, the gardening, growing fresh and 100% organic vegetables for your family. Thanks so much.